If you're a photographer or digital artist, having a powerful PC that can handle high-resolution images, complex edits, and color accuracy is a must. Whether you're working with Lightroom, Photoshop, or AI-powered editing tools, these top photo editing PCs of 2025 deliver the speed, performance, and reliability you need. The Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro is a compact yet insanely powerful machine for photo editing. Powered by the M4 Pro chip, it delivers blazing fast performance, optimized software efficiency, and stunning color accuracy. With Apple's Retina display compatibility and seamless macOS integration, it's a dream machine for professionals who want power in a small form factor. If you prefer a clutter-free desk setup with elite performance, this is it. Check the description for details. For those who want an all-in-one powerhouse, the iMac M4 is the ultimate creative workstation. Featuring Apple's M4 chip, a 5K Retina display with true-to-life colors, and ultra-fast SSD storage, it's built for flawless photo editing. With macOS's seamless optimization for Photoshop, Lightroom, and Final Cut Pro, you'll experience buttery smooth workflow, instant edits, and high-speed rendering. Plus, the sleek design and minimal cables make it a top choice for creatives who want power and aesthetics combined. Check the description for pricing and availability. If you're looking for a Windows powerhouse, the Dell XPS 8960 brings incredible processing power with Intel's latest chips and NVIDIA RTX graphics. Designed for high-performance creative tasks, it features ample RAM, expandable storage, and a color-accurate display option, making it perfect for handling large RAW files and AI-based image processing. With Windows 11 Pro and extensive connectivity options for external displays and peripherals, it's a great fit for serious photographers and designers. Want pro-level performance on Windows? Check out the details in the description. For workstation-grade performance, the Lenovo ThinkStation P3 is an absolute beast. Built with Intel Xeon processors and NVIDIA Professional GPUs, this desktop is designed for extreme multitasking, 3D rendering, and ultra-high-resolution image editing. It also offers ECC memory for data accuracy, multiple storage bays for high-capacity editing projects, and ISV certification for professional-grade software like Adobe Suite and DaVinci Resolve. If you're an industry-level editor or retoucher, this is one of the best Windows workstations available. Check the description to see if it fits your needs. Finally, the Dell Precision 3660 is a pro-level editing machine built for photographers and video editors who demand extreme performance. Featuring Intel's latest processors, powerful NVIDIA GPUs, and workstation-grade memory, it can handle massive image files, AI-driven edits, and real-time rendering without breaking a sweat. With expandable storage, ISV-certified components, and professional color calibration, it's a future-proof investment for any serious creative professional. If you're looking for a powerhouse that will last for years, check the description for pricing and configurations. So, which one is your ideal photo editing PC? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to check the description for the best deals and full specs on each of these power-packed machines.